Hello everyone, I am living in India and summers here are super hot. It is very difficult to sustain this heat for everyone. Little birds find it very difficult to find grains and water in this hot sun. So I try to feed some birds around my house with this cute DIY bird feeder. As a nature lover, we can use this plastic for some useful purpose instead of throwing them in dump yards. Hope you like this idea and share if you think it's worth it. By the way, the bird in this video is not AI and it's a real bird appreciating my work. Thank you.